From the heart of ancient sands rises a kingdom that never bowed.
For thousands of years, towering obelisks in Egypt have stood like silent giants.
From one idea, a giant was born. He imagined stone rising, capturing the sun. Granite chosen, strong enough to face eternity. Every line mattered. Perfection demanded absolute focus. Fire met water, revealing the mountain's heart. Strike by strike, the giant took form. Its golden tip symbolized the first creation. Blessed as sacred, believed to hold divine energy. A colossal ramp rose, engineering beyond imagination. Together they pulled, forcing the stone forward. Counterweights lifted it, rising toward blazing sky. Polished bright, it became a mirror of light. At dawn, rise. Awaken the symbol of Egypt. The giant endures, defying time and forgotten empires. The obelisk stands, born from brilliance and belief. The sands will speak again, until our next journey. This is Kingdom of Kemet.